Well guys, that's got to be a classic Grandad mistake. I'm getting old. I've just filmed making this. It's a foam one. Had my mobile phone set up on this little tripod up here on the dashboard. I've just finished building it and I've just checked the camera to see how it worked, and somehow or other when I put the camera up there I must have knocked it and it was filming it from the selfie camera. In other words, it was facing out that way. I've got a nice 20-minute video of that hedge instead of looking inwards and watching me assemble this. So absolute classic failure. And to be honest, it was quite a nice little build. This is all this foam, so there's no sawdust, there's no splinters, nothing like that. All went together exactly as the instructions told us to do it. It comes from Wilko, this one. Wilko 349624 Foam Dinosaur Puzzle. But I picked it up in a charity shop, of course. It cost me 99p. They don't cost much more than that when they're brand new. In fact, they might even be £1 when they're new. But yeah, a bit of a failure, Grandad. Had the camera facing the wrong way. So even though I've built a nice little foam dinosaur, I don't think it tells us what sort of dinosaur it's supposed to be. Nah. Just a dino puzzle. So you can't see me build it. Sorry. I could take it apart again, but that's not really the point, is it? As a kit for a child, I would say it was fine. The bits of foam do tend to come apart again after you've pushed them in place. So maybe glue them. I don't know what would be the best glue to use for that sort of foam. But there we go, a short and sweet video. Instead of the full build one, I'll just show you the finished article. No point in playing music. Failure, Grandad. For reference, I've just used super glue, which funnily enough happens to be Wilko super glue, to glue together the Wilko foam dinosaur, and that seems to work very well. That's all nicely glued in place. So don't know if you'd want children to play with super glue. They get all their fingers stuck together, because I do. But it works. It doesn't seem to have dissolved the foam at all. It just seems to have glued it nicely. So there we go. Dinosaur, foam dinosaur, glued together with super glue.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.